All right, Black Friday is the Super Bowl for affiliate sales. And if you do it right, your YouTube channel can be a game changer for bringing in more affiliate sales and making it the biggest quarter of the year. In today's video, I'm going over some YouTube strategies that'll help you 3 to 5x your affiliate sales during the Q4 season and for Black Friday. So be sure to implement now as we prepare for the holiday season. So the first tip that I have is to go into your YouTube studio, your analytics, and click on your highest converting videos. So this is easy if you go to your YouTube channel and click on most popular, obviously, or if you go to your analytics and your dashboard and you go to the YouTube studio and you evaluate the analytics for the past 28 days, even for the past 90 days, you can filter the data through both and you can evaluate the top performing videos that are bringing in the most views and the most subscribers, because those most likely are bringing in the most sales. And you can verify this assumption, right? If you go to your RockPorch analytics in your dashboard and you can see and evaluate the amount of clicks and conversions you're getting with the items that you are promoting in these high performing videos, you'll be able to see the trend if those views and sales are consistent with the amount of clicks and conversions you're getting. What I would recommend is add to the top of these videos, right? This will have to be manual, but totally worth it. You can add a line that says, here's my top 2025 Black Friday deals and things you can get under $100. And then you can have a RockPorch collection and update the banner in the collection to specifically show 2025 Black Friday deals or something like that, so that it stays relevant, right? And you're capturing that traffic that's still going to your YouTube channel in the evergreen videos, and have a collection of maybe at least 10 items of the things that are converting the most. So if you also go within the RockPorch platform and look at the shop category and look at the deals, those are also just the highest selling and converting products in general. So you'll see a lot of REI stuff in there, and you can break it down by your category and your niche, whether that's hiking, fitness, outdoor, fishing, hunting, travel, all those things. So here's another thing I recommend. If you're typically posting, 4 videos per month, try to double that. Try to post double of what you normally do. So try to aim for 8 videos in that same month. This is going to bring you obviously more views. It's going to increase your AdSense revenue. It's going to give probably a new plateau of growth on your YouTube channel, but also it's going to increase those affiliate sales, right? And then within those new YouTube videos, of course, you want to position them to be, gear guide videos. So whether that's topics like top 5 camping essentials for 2026 or whichever year, 2027 that you want to focus on. Best gear under $100. You don't necessarily need to put Black Friday in the title, but make it so, if you want to put Black Friday in the title, that's fine. But after Black Friday's over, you can take out Black Friday from the title and it could be an evergreen piece of content. Another title example is like 3 must-have pieces of equipment for home workouts. This is good because being in Q4, people have that Q1, I need to get, ready to, new year, new me. I want to have new fitness resolutions, including myself. That's what Q1, that's what I want to do, but that's besides the point. But basically these product recommendations, gear list, packing list, home workout list, all of these things are really good because people are in buying mode. They want to gift things to other people and also get ready themselves for the holiday season and the new year. Step 3, the community tab. Now, this is super important. Now, I highly recommend leveraging polls, but more importantly, image polls. With image polls, you can go and schedule out. You can pre-schedule this for an entire month. And you can have maybe a couple image posts a week of the product. So you put the product, maybe you put the 5 different jackets, or you put the 3 different electronics that you're using in your van, right? And then you put the specific RockPorch affiliate link to that product in the description. You can say like, oh, which one would you choose for your next trip, right? And these types of posts get 3 to 5x more engagement than your typical video post or your picture post, because people easily vote on these and people barely have to think. So they'd rather engage in a poll than like or comment below, etc., etc. So these type of posts drive a ton of traffic, and I highly recommend posting them for Black Friday, but also you can customize it to where it says something like, oh, Black Friday alert, such and such brand is having 40% off store wide or website wide or whatever, and put the images there. In general, but especially for quarter four and the Black Friday season, I recommend posting 10 to 14 times per week on your community tab. And this can easily be done if you work at it like for an hour at the beginning of the month. You can pre-program the community tab for the entire month, so you can schedule out posts, and it's pretty efficient if you think of it that way. The next thing is you want to update your bios and the pinned comments. Maybe not all of your back catalog for the pinned comments, but update your bio if you're wanting to refer people to your Black Friday holiday collection, right? You want to put that at the top of the bio. So make sure you have those things positioned as the first link in your bio instead of like, go see my Instagram or something that's not going to bring you money. Then in the first pinned comments, you want to make sure in the first pinned comment that you have the collection there or your affiliate links, because the pinned comment, the first one that you're able to pin, gets the second most traffic to like the actual video, of course, and that top first line in the description. So you want to be sure you're leveraging that. Lastly, you want to track down and double down on what's already working. Okay, so maybe you have a collection or a couple of higher ticket affiliate items that are selling more and you're getting more success with that. That is definitely what you want to double down on. If those are already working, no need to reinvent the wheel. Just go a little bit harder with promoting and making videos that showcase that product. Showing the actual product in the beginning, the first 10 seconds of the video, is really popular. So maybe having some B-roll of you using the product up much sooner in the video of what you're doing. And you can also do things like, if you know you're getting a lot of sales with something like, let's say a portable stove, right? If you're traveling in an RV or you're in van life or just travel in general, and somebody purchases a stove from you or from your affiliate link, you can even offer a bonus, right? So you can say something like, for anyone who purchases my outdoor stove through my affiliate link, I will send you my winter adventure checklist, or some other thing that would be really cool as an incentive, as a bonus for somebody. And you can track, you can have somebody send you a screenshot of the purchase that they made and also verify on your RockPorch analytics that the sale was made on that day, and then send them the checklist. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I definitely recommend checking out the video coming up next, all about the 5 things I recommend to cross 100K subscribers on the YouTube platform.